What's up guys, welcome back to our channel. So I am at Rite now, and guys, the deals this week are so good. So I only have 2 accounts that I'm using right now, so I'm going to be showing you guys 2 scenarios, but there are so many scenarios for this week, guys. Now the scenarios that I'm going to show you guys are scenarios that, you know, I came up with myself, but I am recommending you guys follow Sacktown Couponer on Instagram because she posts a ton of scenarios for Rite, like a ton. And I know someone asked last week in the comments if there's any diaper deals or like baby deals. Well, this week they are having deals on the Huggies, on Tide, on Airwick, on Pantene. Just so many deals on everything, so definitely recommend checking her out. But like I said, the scenarios I'm going to show you guys right now are scenarios that I came up with myself. Super simple, super easy, but it gets the job done for the week. So let's jump into the video. So jumping into the scenario, we have the Tide liquid and the Tide pods on sale for $5.94, and when you spend $30 you get $10 in bonus cash. Now that is a limit of 2. And we also have this Rite in-ad coupon. It's in the Rite app. You get $15 back in bonus cash when you spend $50. So all you have to do is head over to the Rite app, take a screenshot of that coupon, and then just show it to the cashier before we do our transaction. So we are going to be using that coupon on top of this promo deal. For this scenario, we are going to be grabbing 11 Tide products. Now I know that seems extreme, but it's really not. It's going to be super simple, guys. Now I'm grabbing 7 of the Tide liquid and 4 of the pods, and the reason for that, if you guys already know, Rite takes 7 of the same like coupons. So I can use 7 of the $2 off one for the Tide liquid, and I'm going to use 4 for the $2 off one for the Tide pods. Now you can mix and match. You can get 7 of the Tide pods and 4 of the liquid. You can get 5 of the liquid and 6 of the Tide pods. Whatever you guys want to do for this scenario, you know, depending on the coupons you have, you can do that. Just remember, you cannot go past 7 of the same like coupons because it will not accept it. So I'm pretty sure you guys know which coupons I'm talking about. It's the $2 off one for the Tide liquid from the P&G and the $2 off one pods from the P&G as well, the ones that came out this Sunday. So let's do the full scenario. It's going to be $5.94 times 11, bringing us to $65. Now remember, when you spend $30 you get $10 in bonus cash, and it's a limit of 2, so we're gonna get $20 back plus the $15 in bonus cash for scanning that in-ad coupon. So we are gonna subtract $2 times 11 because those are all the coupons we're gonna be using, and it's gonna bring us to $43.34. we're gonna get $20 for the weekly promo, $15 back in bonus cash for the coupon, and that's going to bring us down to $8.34 for our 11 items, making this only 75 cents each. Like I said, guys, super simple deal. Before jumping on to scenario number 2, I quickly wanted to mention, guys, be very careful when you're doing this deal, because the Tide liquids and the Tide pods that are on sale for $5.94 are the 46 ounce, and the pods are the 15 count and the 20 count. So you guys have to be very cautious because from a distance they all look the same, but they're not. So these here, for example, are the ones on sale. They are the 46 ounce ones, right? But if you look up here, this is a 46 ounce and this is a 37 ounce, but they look exactly the same. The size looks exactly the same. But if you end up grabbing the 37 ounce, it is not going to track for the $10 bonus cash this week. So be very careful of the sizes that you're grabbing. Same thing for the Tide pods. You guys can see these bags look exactly the same, but this is a 20 count and this is a 16 count. So just be very careful of the sizes, that way you guys can earn your bonus cash back. Now onto scenario number 2, we have the Pantene, and this is also part of the spend 30 and get a $10 bonus cash. It is a limit of 2, and these are on sale 3 for $12. And this week in the P&G, we got a $5 off 3 paper coupon. So I'm going to be using that one. And I'm also going to be maxing out this bonus cash offer. So I'm going to be trying to spend $60 on Pantene. I am going to grab 15 Pantene, guys. Doing the full breakdown, it is going to be 12 times 5, bringing us to $60. Now that does equal to 15 Pantene. We are going to subtract 5 of those $5 off 3 paper coupons, bringing us down to $35. We are going to get $20 back in bonus cash, and we are going to get $15 back in bonus cash for scanning that in-ad coupon. So that is going to bring us to $0, completely free for these 15 Pantenes. that's why I said, guys, these scenarios are super easy, whether you want to do the Pantene this week or you want to do the Tide. Super easy deal. All right, guys, I got all my items in the cart. I got my coupons ready. I'm gonna go check out. Fingers crossed everything goes well, and hopefully I don't forget to scan that $15 bonus cash and add coupon. So I'll let you guys know how everything goes. All right, guys, I am in the car now, and we had one bump on the road. That beautiful gold status screwed me over once again. So because of the gold status, the Pantene came out to $3.99 instead of $4. They're on sale 3 for $12, so that's $4 each. But gold status decided to give me a penny off, and that throws off the whole breakdown, guys. And unfortunately, Rite does not do that 98% rule like CVS. So I was literally a couple of cents short. It says here I was like, what, 15 cents short from getting that $10 bonus cash. So I ended up paying $34. Well, my subtotal was $34, and then I got $25 in bonus cash, and I only needed 15 more cents to get that other $10 in bonus cash to make this $35. So what I did was I ran back after doing this transaction and noticing that it didn't go well. I grabbed a bag of Tide Pods, and then that's how I did end up getting my bonus cash. So here's that receipt. The bag of Tide Pods, a $2 off paper coupon, and then I got the $10 in bonus cash. So now on this account, I am gonna have $35 in bonus cash. So for the 15 Pantene and a bag of Tide Pods, it is going to be $3.94. Definitely not bad at all. That's 16 items in total for $3.94. But I was hoping for free on those Pantenes. Now, if you're not gold status, you can still do the Pantene deal, and it'll be completely free for you guys. Just make sure that those Pantenes are ringing up $4 and not any less, because or else it will throw off the breakdown and you guys won't get that $35 in bonus cash. You will only get, like I did, $25 because you're off by a couple of cents. But jumping into the Tide one, that one went completely awesome. So here is my receipt. This one went exactly as planned. All the coupons came off, and then you guys can see here my subtotal was $43.34, exactly like we said, and I did end up getting the $35 in bonus cash. So all in all, it was the $8 and a couple of cents for those 11 Tide products, making it 75 cents each. So this was perfect. Now that's gonna be the end of this video, guys. And then don't forget to check out Sacktown Couponer, because there was one deal that she posted that I really wanted to do that I thought would be a good deal, because it includes 2 Huggies, and then I think it includes the Tide as well. I think it's this one. I'll just go ahead and like post it here. So if you guys want to follow her for some Rite deals, I definitely recommend it. And I'm telling you guys, I recommend her because I wish I could do all the scenarios, but you know, we can't do all the scenarios for, you know, this week. We can only do a couple of scenarios, you know, either 1 or 2, or depending on, you know, how many accounts you have. So that's why I recommend following her, because you guys can pick and choose what scenarios you guys want to do. Like, I only showed you guys 2, but there's just a whole ton of scenarios for this week. But all right, guys, we're gonna end this video because it's super hot in here, and we got to do some CVS deals. So we'll see you guys in our next one. Bye.